Hello and welcome to this video about artificial intelligence, also known as AI. In this video, we will cover the basics of what AI is, how it works, and some of the applications of AI that you may have already encountered in your daily life. So, let's dive into the world of AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence to complete. These tasks can range from simple ones like recognizing speech or images, to more complex ones like playing chess or driving a car. The goal of AI is to create machines that can perform tasks in a way that mimics human intelligence, and can even surpass it in some areas. AI works by using algorithms, which are sets of instructions that tell the machine how to complete a task. These algorithms use large amounts of data to learn and improve over time, which is known as machine learning. There are two types of machine learning: supervised and unsupervised. In supervised learning, the machine is given labeled data to learn from, while in unsupervised learning, the machine must identify patterns in unlabeled data. Once the machine has learned from the data, it can then apply this knowledge to new situations and make predictions or decisions based on that data. AI is used in a wide range of applications, from virtual personal assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars and drones. AI is also used in industries like healthcare to analyze medical data and in finance to predict market trends. AI can even be used to create art and music, as well as to detect fraud and cyber threats. Artificial intelligence is an exciting field that has the potential to transform our world in countless ways. As the technology continues to develop, we can expect to see more and more applications of AI in our daily lives. Whether it's through virtual personal assistants, self-driving cars, or medical diagnoses, AI is sure to make our lives easier and more efficient. Thank you for watching, and we hope you've learned something new about artificial intelligence.